Work on one uncertain area at a time. So if you're preparing for GMAT and let's say you are okay or average with both quant and verbal. So in that case, always start with one area. You can take either verbal or quant. Don't start with both together. So if you're starting with quant, in quant, take one topic at a time. What happens is normally most students when they start with quant, let's say they start with number system, so they struggle with number system. Now rather than going deep into the number system, they just start either working on another area of verbal, or they start with another topic rather than just finishing off number system till they reach a level where they're able to handle difficult questions comfortably. So they keep switching from one area to another area, because when you're working on something which is difficult and it's highly uncertain. When we say uncertain, there is no time limit. Okay, how many questions should I do? If I give you a target, okay, do 50 questions and you'll be comfortable. You can say, okay, now I know what to do. I'll do that and I'll get comfortable. But when you're trying to learn something, you're mastering something, this factor of uncertainty, which is dependent on time, is unknown. But you have to learn to stay with this unknown. Because if you don't stay with this unknown, you will always be moving from one thing to another and you will not master anything. And this is how most of the students waste months. I've seen students wasting 3 years, 4 years on GMAT. They're not just sitting and just working on one thing at a time for an extended period of time. So if you're starting your GMAT, take one area. You can start with quant. Take one topic and make sure you don't switch to the next topic till you get comfortable with this particular topic. This is the only way to master the topics and get to 700 plus on GMAT. Thank you.